What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me. Today we're addressing a question: how can we balance properly the iPhone 8 Plus? So if you happen to have an iPhone 8 Plus, they're a little bit heavier than traditional iPhones, iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 6 Plus. They might not be as heavy because of the glass back, but with DJI Osmo Mobile 2, you do have the ability to kind of like get as close as possible. You're probably gonna want to use it with a fully extended, so you definitely wanna make sure that the back arm is where it needs to be as far as balancing. Get it to the point where it's fully balanced and in place. It doesn't matter where it goes. It kind of like defaults back to the middle. And then the same thing's gonna happen with this situation over here. You can actually adjust that and get it to the point where it's properly balanced. Even with the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 being turned off, you should be getting something similar to this. Pretty straightforward balance. Really cool stuff. This is actually pretty balanced, right? And then when you turn it on, boom. Awesome. Super cool stuff. Now, part of his question was, how do I do it in the portrait orientation? In order to switch from a horizontal to portrait orientation, all you simply have to do, loosen the screw in the back, flip it around, and lock it again. And grab your device, and make sure you leave a little bit of room so it doesn't really kind of like clash with your Osmo. Now, as far as balancing goes, you definitely want to readjust the back arm. It will be slightly heavier, right? So it's not going to be staying in the same position, and you don't have to really worry too much about the front and back adjustment. So now if we were to turn on the DJI Osmo Mobile, it should just simply come back and stabilize, right? The modes work the same way, so if you press one time, it'll lock it in place. And this is why you have to give it a little bit of room, not go all the way to the volume down button. So you definitely want to make sure that you're leaving a little bit of room underneath the device. That way it can kind of like stabilize. And there you go. Right now my arm doesn't quite show unless I'm like going all the way in, but still the gimbal doesn't really show in the film, right? So it's all a matter of making sure that the phone is not too high or too low, kind of like right in the middle, maybe a little bit higher, and then you'll be able to get some crispy Instagram stories, Snapchat stories, all that fun stuff. Let me know in the comment section if this worked out for you. If you have any thoughts, drop them there. Everything that I use, it's down in the description. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.